Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve UAE Pass login problem very easily. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so you just have to go to google.com. Just open up your internet browser and go to google.com. And here just type in UAE Pass and then just click on the first link, and here you just have to click on the three lines in the top right corner. Alternatively, you can also download the application and do the same, but I'm doing this on the website because the steps are gonna be the same or pretty much similar if you're on a laptop or computer device. So just click on the three lines in the top right corner and then just click on support. And here you have to select your feature, so you can just select complaint, put in your title, your email address, and then you just have to describe your error here properly, and then just click on request, and they should fix your problem within 24 hours. However, if you want faster support, you can just call them on this number and tell them about your problem, and they will assist you and fix your problem within 24 to 48 hours. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.